Now, we are doing self-hypnosis workshop in July. You and I are going.
Yes,
So
I
you
am
want
so
to give out the
excited.
particulars?
Yes, so Saturday, July 8th, 9:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Um, I will be honored to host this self-hypnosis workshop with you, Ines. That's a treat having you. And it's going to be very unique because it's going to be for people who speak English and people who speak Spanish all together. And many people will be wondering about how come. Yes, there will be some translation, but you people will also have the opportunity to realize that your superconscious mind has no language and no time. And as long as it connects to your intention, magic will happen
It does.
anyways.
Doesn't matter if we're talking Chinese or if we're talking English and Spanish. The superconscious doesn't know. It has no language. If you intend something, it gets it. It gets everything in every language. So it's limiting belief that somehow we've discovered this, right? And people have a limiting belief. They say that I speak Spanish, and Inez doesn't. But once they get too high, maybe before uh, they have to have a smattering of what they need to know.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Yeah, we will do the little transitions in their own
Yeah,
language, but as they go further into the session,
you don't need it.
no difference between English and
In
Spanish.
fact, it's a unique experience having somebody speak Spanish to you when you don't speak it, and
Mhm.
vice versa, the English.
And Ines, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is the first time that you're going to host a mixed language um,
No, I've
self-hypnosis
done
or
a
not?
no, I've done a few more.
Oh,
I've
you have
done
done
some in
wow.
Dutch and I've done German. I've done all kinds of different.
Like both languages
Yeah,
in oh, fantastic. Okay, so it was time then to include the
yeah,
Spanish.
yeah.
Awesome.
But it's a very good Spanish. You're I know. You always seem to be talking so fast.
Yes, I have this Latino mouth. I just want to chat and chat and chat.